Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Coinbase wallet. First, download the Coinbase wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, you can create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to secure your wallet with a strong password and enable biometric authentication for enhanced protection. This initial setup is crucial for managing your digital assets safely and efficiently. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency with your Coinbase wallet is straightforward. To receive funds, simply tap the Receive button and share your unique wallet address or QR code with the sender. When sending, tap Send, enter the recipient's address and specify the amount. It's vital to always double-check the recipient's address before confirming any transaction to prevent irreversible loss of funds. Transactions typically process quickly. Your Coinbase wallet isn't just for storing crypto. It's also a gateway to the decentralized web. Use the integrated D-app browser to explore and interact with various decentralized applications, from DeFi protocols to gaming platforms. You can also connect your wallet to popular NFT marketplaces to buy, sell, and manage your digital collectibles. Always be mindful of gas fees, which are the transaction costs on the blockchain, as they can vary. Maintaining the security of your Coinbase wallet is paramount. The most critical rule is to never, under any circumstances, share your recovery phrase with anyone. This phrase grants full access to your funds. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. Regularly back up your recovery phrase in a secure, offline location like a safe to protect against device loss or damage. Stay vigilant against phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.